Artificial intelligence has rapidly emerged as a leading topic of interest and discussion, captivating the imagination of individuals across diverse fields and societies. This revolutionary technology, rooted in the endeavor to replicate human-like intelligence in machines, can seamlessly complete tasks like recognizing faces, playing chess, driving a car, or analyzing a piece of text and extracting the important information. Undoubtedly, there is a lot of jargon in this area. So in this video, Inlustro will help you navigate through a glossary of the most common and important terms all the way from machine learning to hallucinations. Neural networks. Neural networks that exist within the brain form sequences of interconnected neurons which exchange information, reinforcing their links in the process, thus facilitating learning. Cutting-edge AI frameworks use artificial neural networks which mirror the same structure by processing data through the strata of interlinked artificial neurons to refine their predictive capabilities. Machine learning. Machine learning involves computers enhancing their performance through experience, forming the foundation for the advanced functionalities of AI systems. Instead of manually programming computers with detailed stepwise commands for task completion, in ML, humans furnish the AI with data instructing it to attain specific outcomes using algorithms. Via rapid trial and error, the AI swiftly recognizes patterns, some potentially beyond human detection, and employs them to predict effective measures for accomplishing the intended goal. For example, consider an AI that is given instructions on a game's rules and goals. It will proceed by executing millions of maneuvers to determine the most effective strategies. Within a brief time frame, the system would achieve mastery, no longer requiring to employ random actions in the game. Deep learning. Deep learning is a distinct variant of machine learning, prevalent in the most powerful AI frameworks. It emulates the cognitive processes of the human brain through artificial neural networks, enabling the AI to grasp even complex data patterns. While machine learning systems enhance their proficiency in familiar tasks when given novel data, deep learning empowers computers to acquire competencies in untrained areas. This unveils the prospects of machines surpassing human performance across various tasks. Between 2010 and 2015, DeepMind, a London-based firm established by UCL researchers and later acquired by Google in 2014, spearheaded the advent of deep learning. Narrow AI. Presently, most of the existing AI systems fall under the category of narrow AI, which refers to AI systems that are adept at accomplishing only particular tasks like image identification or automated driving. While excelling in these tasks beyond human capacity, such AI lacks the adaptability to extend its intelligence to dissimilar challenges and contexts. Large language models. Large language models or LLMs are AI systems that use deep learning to comprehend language intricacies. An illustrative instance is the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, the technology that powers ChatGPT. LLMs undergo training on extensive datasets to refine their proficiency in discerning linguistic patterns, such as a sophisticated iteration of predictive text. Generative AI. Generative AI systems encompass the capacity to craft varied forms of content, such as images, text, videos, music, voice recordings, and code. These systems are educated using extensive data sets and subsequently employ machine learning techniques to extrapolate and generate fresh data. Popular examples include text-to-image generators like DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. Users input text prompts and the model rapidly produces corresponding images. Chatbots such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard also fall within the category of generative AI. The advent of user-friendly tools in this domain has substantially amplified interest in generative AI within the past couple of years. This technology harbors the potential to enhance efficiency across diverse industries. However, observers have raised concerns regarding the potential dissemination of misinformation by generative AI, whether inadvertently or maliciously. For instance, the generation of images that are nearly photorealistic yet entirely fabricated. Artificial General Intelligence. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, on a fundamental level refers to a computer's capability to execute any intellectual task within human capacity. Such a computer is likely to outperform humans significantly in these tasks, both in terms of speed and accuracy, with the potential for profound societal implications upon AGI's emergence. Often labeled as godlike AI, it is frequently the focal point of discussions concerning AI risks, with apprehensions of AGI rendering humans obsolete or even extinct. An extensively publicized open letter advocating a halt in the development of increasingly potent AI systems warned against the rise of non-human minds that might eventually outnumber, outsmart, obsolete, and replace us, along with concerns about loss of control of our civilization. On the other hand, enterprises pursuing AGI, including Google DeepMind and OpenAI, assert its potential to tackle humanity's most pressing issues like disease, climate change, and poverty. Consequently, investment in this domain has surged in the recent times. Until OpenAI's GPT-4, many believed AGI to be distant. However, it is now demonstrated human-level proficiency across an array of reasoning and knowledge tasks, such as passing the bar exam. In any case, projections regarding the timeline for a true AGI system may span from 5 to 50 years or beyond. Superintelligence. Philosopher Nick Bostrom delineated superintelligence as an intellect surpassing human cognitive performance across virtually all areas of interest. Certain researchers anticipate that the emergence of superintelligence might closely follow the advent of AGI, while others cast doubts on its eventual realization, as the creation of a superintelligent AGI raises concerns regarding the feasibility of human control over it. Professors at the University of California, Berkeley, caution against the potential repercussions of assigning even a seemingly sensible and straightforward task to the superintelligent AGI. Singularity. Singularity is the hypothetical point in the future when technology has advanced to an extent that renders it beyond control and irreversible. The emergence of an AGI could potentially lead to the moment of singularity. A prevailing perspective says that after this point, we could see exponential technological progress which may be beyond the comprehension of human beings. Alignment. Alignment refers to the endeavors aimed at aligning AI systems' objectives with human values, with the intention of mitigating the potential harm they might pose. For instance, preventing AI chatbots from participating in harmful content. However, creating systems with genuinely human ethics presents considerable challenges, and scientists are yet not sure of how this would work. Significantly, alignment research has received notably less funding, and progress in this field of alignment has been comparably sluggish. Hallucinations. Hallucinations refer to instances where AI systems present inaccuracies, such as LLM chatbots getting facts wrong or making things up entirely. The inclination of such systems to craft plausible yet deceptive information remains a prominent limitation for LLMs like ChatGPT. As articulated by prominent experts, the hallucination problems have yet not been resolved within this field. As you have seen, these key concepts allow you to get a glimpse of the fascinating world of AI, and as AI continues to evolve, understanding these concepts will aid in navigating its ever-changing landscape. This marks the end of our video on artificial intelligence. Remember to stay updated with the latest developments in this exciting field. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to learn more with Inlustro.